Hey guys, welcome to Ananya's Sweet Treats. Today I'll be making a beautiful and delicious cake. It is a vanilla sponge cake with a flower basket design. So let's get started. For making the vanilla sponge cake, you will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/4 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 egg yolks, 3 egg whites, half cup vegetable oil, half cup milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First we'll prepare our baking pan. So here I have taken 2 8-inch baking pans. You can also use 2 6-inch baking pans. Now brush some butter at the bottom and the sides of the baking pan. You can also use oil instead of butter. Now place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of the cake pan. Now brush some more butter on top. Now repeat the process and prepare the other cake pan. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you don't have parchment paper, you can also dust the baking pan with some flour. Now we'll prepare a batter. For that, in a bowl, we'll add in our egg yolks and half of the powdered sugar. Now we are going to beat the egg yolks and the sugar together at low speed. Beat it until it becomes pale in color. Now add in the vanilla essence, vegetable oil, and milk. Now beat it again. Now sift in the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now sift all the dry ingredients together. Now fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now keep this aside. Now in another bowl we are going to beat the egg whites until it becomes frothy. Now add in half teaspoon of lemon juice and beat it again. The lemon juice stabilizes the egg whites. Now add in the remaining sugar gradually. Now fold in the egg whites into the prepared mixture. Be gentle while folding the egg whites. Now our batter is ready. Now we'll pour this batter equally into the prepared pans. I am using a cup to measure it. Now tap this a few times to get rid of air bubbles. Now bake these cakes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now our cakes are out of the oven and they are baked perfectly. Now we'll let them cool down. After 5 to 10 minutes, run a knife along the sides of the cake. Now flip the cake onto a plate and peel off the parchment paper. Now level the cakes using a knife. Now divide each cake into 2 layers. Now let them cool completely while we make the frosting. So here I have taken 2 cups of cold whipping cream in a chilled bowl. And now I am going to beat it at low speed until stiff peaks are formed. This whipping cream already has sugar and vanilla in it, so I'll not be adding any sweetening or flavorings. Now whipped cream is ready. Now chill this whipped cream in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. So here I have taken a turntable with a cake board on top, on which I am going to add a little bit of the whipped cream so that the cake sticks to the board. Now put the first layer of the cake on the cake board. Now brush some sugar syrup on top. The sugar syrup is basically 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Now add a layer of whipped cream and spread it using an offset spatula. Now put the second layer of cake. Now brush some more sugar syrup. Now add a layer of whipped cream. Now repeat the process and stack all the layers. Now add a layer of whipped cream on top. Now spread it using the spatula. Now spread some whipped cream on the sides. Now using a cake smoother, smoothen the sides. If you don't have a cake smoother, you can skip this step. Now wipe off the excess whipped cream on the cake board. Now chill this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now I have taken half of the remaining whipped cream and now we are going to add a drop of yellow food coloring into it and mixing it. For the basket weave design, we will be using a basket weave nozzle. Now transfer this yellow whipped cream into a piping bag with the basket weave tip. Now I'm going to show you how to make the basket weave design. First, make a vertical line and then make horizontal lines from the top across the vertical line. Leave a space for one more horizontal line. Now pipe a vertical line at the end of the horizontal lines and fill in the gaps and go across the vertical line. Now repeat this process and frost the whole cake. Now the basket weave design is done. Now take the remaining whipping cream and add a drop of pink food coloring into it. You can use any other color of your choice. Now transfer this pink whipped cream into a piping bag with a rose nozzle. Now pipe some rose on top of the cake. Now our flower basket weave design is done. Now flower basket design cake is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon.